Now, when we get up here, you got to know this is the exit zone. You get a pump like this and you don't take +4 to +9, you don't take 5 strikes. You must be crazy. And we tell you right down here. Bears, edge, high win rate can work at high of the day. Exit at BL if price does not break through. I mean, this is unusual. It happens from time to time. The win rate on these historically is not good, 5%. That's why this is rare. This is crazy, but this is just what Wall Street loves to do. And they nuked it back all the way to +2. 2 strikes above the blue, which is cool because we're telling you on that check trade exit, trade bulls BL to +2. Or after 1+ strike nuke and below the strike. Well, right here, when this thing is nuking, like, this is just chaotic nuke, okay? Chaotic nuke comes down to 4, bounces up 1. Don't mess with this. Like, if these strikes aren't defended immediately, and by defended, what I mean is, like, we don't go to -6 and then immediately bounce back to, or +6, so we don't immediately bounce back to +8, then you're probably going to get smashed. But more importantly, remember, people, remember, all we had to do was follow the system. If you get 180% on a trade, you don't need to do this right here. Take a break. Let it nuke. Let it settle. And if you look at it pretty closely, like this +2, okay, it holds. And then right here, this is the money maker. The KTR is hitting for all these alerts from earlier. Crazy. That's the money maker. It tries to break +2. It doesn't break it the second time. Well, guess what? We're above the blue. Max bullish. This is an awesome trade. And what did we tell you? Right here, trade bulls, BL to +2. That's preferred. And that is exactly what worked. Follow the system and win. You go +2 all the way up to +7. Then you pull it back 1, 2, get a nice pump at the end. This is just, it's been mania at the end of the session. Last 30 minutes, often the most fun, right? Because you're getting that kind of movement. But really, when we look at it, keep it simple, follow the system. High of the day. Caution for bulls, expect a 2-strike nuke. Use this as your entry. Bears can work in the red zone. And it's just like, if you followed that and you were awake at 10:30, we get into the red, as you can see, indicated here. We literally cross over to the red, and these make money because you get 1, 2 strikes. Got to be quick. Opposite side. This is just beautiful. And then it's like, dude, if you don't sell after this and think like, oh my God, we are +8, +9, and it is not pushing further, you have to know it's extremely risky and you might get smashed, especially when the bears are coming out, right? Flow is mixed. Turn off KTR. This is mixed. And then what ends up happening, +2 holds. And then if you take any of these here, best trades of the day because it just rips. What happens at Robinhood? Well, guess what? All you Robin Hoodies bought calls, you get smashed, and then they pump it right back up. That's what Wall Street does. Let's check out the Q. What do we have here? Very similar, max bullish, very similar at the high of the day. It's going to say the same thing. These aren't always aligned. Expect a violent 2-strike nuke. Well, we're plus 5.54, 444, 443, 442. There is your 2-strike nuke. this is your entry. Got it again. And this part is actually tagged a little bit cleaner. You don't have any bulls coming in here. Win rate slightly higher. You get it. You get it. And what did they do? +2 holds. KTR is really nice. And then at the end, right after Robinhood gets out, +2 holds again. And then you get 4 strikes in the last 20 minutes. End of the session is awesome. Really, it's like you try and catch high of the day, low of the day trade right here. You end up getting it 11.50. And you come back later. There are awesome trades either here or here at the end. At the open, one of those rare sessions where we just went straight up. Doesn't happen often. Don't love the open. I like to skip it, sleep in just a little bit. Let's just check IWM. Similar type of chaos. Neutral, follow the price action. So this is going to be a little bit different. I mean, this is neutral. It's not near the high, not near the low. You don't get the tags. But what we can do is, same thing. We want to look at a strike that holds. You get above the blue line. You get bullish. And we're not bullish up here because it says bull risk, bear swing zone. Pulls back down. +1 holds. +1 holds again. Bang. Flip your bias wherever the blue line goes when this thing says neutral. We got to know that this is risky. Love these bull swings. 50% win rate, okay? That's amazing. But when it comes in, fires off, where is it? It's above the strike. You got to think. This is barely above. We want that thing under 186. And if you took the KTRs here, I mean, that's killer. And even if you're a little bit late, like use this as bias and just say, hey, it's coming in above the strike. I want it +1. And you can get it again, right? +1. Awesome trade. 2 days in a row, strategy box worked 100% both times. Absolutely love to see it. Recording this on Wednesday, April 23rd. This session's a little bit different because we broke the blue and we went down from the blue. Look for that video coming to you on YouTube sometime later. Also, we added gold. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, expiration. Gold is going crazy, ripping to all-time highs. This thing trades pretty clean. It's crazy, pretty clean. We do the check. Well, this is kind of near the high of the day, right? We have bounced from -3. Possible nuke incoming. Price swings towards the BL and stalls at a strike. Trade bears. You don't get the tag, right? We don't have a bear bomb right here. Wish we did. But what happened? Stalled at the strike and immediately nukes. Actually, this is the high of the day. This is a perfect trade. You buy and hold that thing, you're going all the way to -7. Amazing, right? Incredible, wonderful, fantastic. It's the way to do it. Exit. Oh, that should say minus, but -5. You actually get almost -7. Amazing. Bears, BL retest, best setup, 1+ strike swinger. Well, it goes up 1, 2, 3, and you get the tag. I mean, that's what we love. Seeing the tag above the strike. And even if you don't get this like right on time, okay, you're not paying that much attention. It comes in a little bit later. You're at -5. Just think, I want this as close to -4 as humanly possible. And that is another fantastic trade. Follow the system. Edge high win rate alerts don't really work on this because we've only been running it for a few days, but it's extremely promising because with $1 strikes, it just, that's what they target, and that's what they do. We're below the blue, it's bearish. Anytime you got a mega bounce above the strike, you won. Even here, you win. Okay, we get into the red. That's -6. So that's -7. You take about half of that. That's about right here. And bang. Don't like this pool. Why? Because we're below the blue line. This is bearish. And then at the end, they kind of just sat it flat. Doesn't trade like SPY. Doesn't trade like NQ, QQQ. Kind of trades the opposite way. Pay attention to gold. Don't think a ton of people are trading it. Think you're going to be able to put some stinky bids in and pull off some epic, epic trades. High of the day, low of the day. Okay, it's closer to the high. Possible nuke incoming. And literally, it touches the strike, 317. And then just, that's the high. It's never higher after that. Follow the system. You're going to win. You're going to win. And that's what this is about. Helping retail, everyday traders, copy trade Wall Street, follow their moves. But we can only do it if we use strategy and find our entry. We don't need to rush it. This is late. This is late. Okay, let's wait for it to be over. It's not breaking. 314. Oh, there's a bear. Oh, let's try by 314 again. Bam. End of the session. Amazing trade. You're below the blue line. It's bearish. You get it. Come through, study the sessions, click on this, and just see. Does it win? Does it not win? You are going to be absolutely bamboozled, schmoozled, whatever you want to call it. Other thing we didn't even mention here, volume. Volume up, it says nuke to LOTD, nuke to the low of the day. We don't have a good volume tracker. This is day 2 of gold. But you can see, like, the line is going up. The line is going up. The line is going up. We're at 118%. 118, nuke to low of the day. And what happens? It nukes back to 311, and that's where it closes. Follow the system. Give me a like if you watched this video. We are on a tear right now, people. Love to see all the new people. Let's keep it up. Keep encouraging each other. Trade smart. Always lose small. Sometimes win big. And thank the Orange Man, because these markets are awesome.